Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen seekers. Alright guys, so the reason why we like the $25 all-in-one digital business is simply for its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. And any product is 80%. You get 80% of the sales no matter what. Alright guys, so if it's recurring products, you get 80% every month. So it's just the one product to promote, guys. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can't figure out how to make some money, and this is the product that you want to promote. $25 business, online business here, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're just gonna look at our results, guys. And I like to show my results at the very beginning here, just to try to show you guys that I'm making money doing this, and it's just the simplest way I ever found to make money. All right, guys. So anyway, we're just gonna refresh the page to show real results, guys. All right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It is what it is. Sometimes you don't get sales, man. But okay, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. All right, so first and foremost, we need to get your link. That's the first thing we need to possibly do, right? So the product that I'm promoting, the $25 business, you just type in incomespeech.com or just clicking the link in the description. The very first link in the description should say incomespeech.com, whatever it is, and it's going to take you to this page here, which is the sales letter. It's going to tell you all about the $25 business, what it is. Essentially, it's a funnel builder. You know, you use funnel builders for affiliate marketing and training and all that. So that's what it is. That's what the business actually is. That's the product. But we are much more interested in the affiliate system. Yeah, you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions for each person. All right, it's just fantastic. And you know, you can read over this, figure out what you want to do, watch the video or whatever. And once you try it out, just click on yes, I want in. You just put in your information here, and boom, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now, one thing I want to mention here is that this right here, this is another product that's recurring. If you want to try this out, you can try this out for 14 days. What this essentially is training, all kinds of training on a bunch of different types of websites and whatever, and ads and stuff like that. Excuse me. And it also has a AI content creation machine to put in there to help you make content for however way you want to promote it, stuff like that. Just making it as simple as possible to let you make money. And also, this product you can get for free for two weeks, guys, which is very cool, because if you use my link, you can get this free for 2 weeks, and you happen to get a sale within them 2 weeks on it, keep that money. You keep that $100. So you make a bunch of money before you even have the product, which is really cool. But you only get that if you try my link, guys. Try my link, put in incomespeech.com, and you get that. All right, so that's all it is for that. And once you do that, you just log in, do all your stuff, information, blah blah blah, whatever. You know how to log in and stuff, and it's pretty much the same thing. But eventually, you'll get your link. And once you get your link, you gotta have a way to promote it, guys. Gotta have a way to promote it. And the easiest way I found to promote it, like just straight up the easiest way to promote something, and it actually works, is my lead gen secrets here. Now, my lead gen secrets gives you a bunch of leads here. It's 100 leads every day, and so it adds up, and eventually you get sales from these leads, which is really cool. And don't worry about how many leads you have, because I got multiple accounts in this system. I've gotten sales on accounts that only had 100 leads. So don't even worry about how many leads you got. I personally use this account particularly to promote only this product. Kind of want to rotate if you want to make maximum amount of money, because people get tired of seeing the same product over and over. So that's the way to do it. But I'm just using this as an example of this can work and make money. This is just simply for the YouTube channel. That's why I got this account. So once you do that, you can pick in a link here. We're gonna use, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna use Chat GPT to write one of the emails that get me sales. Rewrite it. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So first and foremost, let's go to Chat GPT, and we're gonna type in something like, right, and you know, similar, right? Now we just put subject. Hold on, I need to do this. All right, subject, right? And then we post in the subject that we use here, making money first week. We just copy that. You know what? Copy this part. That in there, like this. Money my first week. Body. That's when we copy the rest of these. Go down here, we look at our email here. Just copy it. Yeah, copy. That G here. And we let it write us a new email. All right, so they wrote us a new email. Make it move. Make it clickbait. Make it more viral, fun, and clickbait. Let's try that. That come out. I like how that looks. That looks a little bit more exciting, you know what I mean? So we're gonna put that in there. These types of email works better in this system, like more exciting sounding emails. It worked a little bit better. Get the copy. Yeah. Still want to out. Get it right. I'm gonna put out a link right here, guys. Boom. I'm pretty sure we can't use none of these. I don't think he'll let me use. Gotta take out this. It won't got no. And I wanna do some bolding here and there. Bold all the capitalized words here. Make it look a little better. What we can put is like their first name here. Sound a little bit more personal. Instead of saying hey there, put hey. Hey Bob, Jill, hey whatever their first name is. So boom, that's all it takes, and you hit perfect timing. What we're gonna do is hit preview to make sure the link works, guys. Check to see if the link works. and we got us another effective email, and it's very similar to the one I've written that got me a lot of sales. So, and that's all it is, guys. Yep, very simple, very easy. You can do this very easy and simple when you guys do it as well. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.